I have purchased an amazing car from Amazon.in, so let's open it and see how it is. Please don't forget to drop a like on this video. Like aim for this video will be 60 likes. Best Buy link to purchase this car is given in the description of this video. Inside the box there is an instruction manual, 2 AA batteries and the charger to charge the car. It is quite big in size. The controller is a 2.4G controller. This box contains the battery of the car. Now let's test it outside.